Ito na major defect ako. Breakdown. Kahapon, galing ako ng Alabama papunta dito sa Comber Yard namin, dito sa Ontario. Dinrap ko yung loaded ko. May loaded ako na dadalhin sana sa South Dakota. Pag pre-trip ko, pag test ko ng air brake, pag up ako ng service brake dito, sisingaw yung sa labas, sa likod. May audible leak, no? Hissing sound. Kaya nag-drop agad yung pressure ko, hangin. Ang sira is tractor protection valve, major defect. Nagpunta ang maintenance kagabi dito, tiningnan nga, inassess tractor protection valve, tinanggal nila yung parts para parang sample daw. Bukas, Lunes, kasi kahapon is Sabado, bukas mga 8 o'clock babalik sila, dala na yung pyesa. Kaya na force reset ako dito sa yard namin sa Comber. Ayos na, kasi safe na tayo dito. Nasa gated kasi yard namin to, ng company namin. So nasa safe place ako. Sa kabila, kuan yan, Petropas. Yan, no? Petropas BBD. Pwede rin mag-park doon, pero gusto ko na, ma-prepare ko na dito kasi safe. Gated to eh. Yan, yung sa likod, tingnan natin. Ito, oh. Dito. Yan ang sira. Anak nila lahat. Yung airline ko, kabit ko na lang ito, baka ulan. So yan, sira lahat. Meron din mga kuan dito, Challenger. Parang nag-rent sila dito sa yard ng company namin. So shared, pero konti lang yung mga kuan nila. May mga van din sila. Yan, Challenger. Punta muna ako doon. Kasi mag-kuan ako, washroom, maligo. Ito ako, tambay whole day. Alright. Good morning guys. Time check, 9 o'clock ng umaga, Lunes. Nandito pa rin ako sa yard kasi nga ako ay na out of service dahil may major defect ako. Nandito ako since Saturday ng hapon. Ngayon palang maayos ulit kasi yung pyesa nga, yung last Saturday tinanggal yung tractor protection valve na pyesa. May dala na ang technician na bagong pyesa. Ito na yung Ontario Mobile Truck Service 24 Emergency Road Service. So sana maayos na para ako ay makatakbo na. Mamaya tingnan natin.
Service again? Do they have a load for you?
Not yet.
You want to go over and just hook up to a random unit? We'll just make sure that everything energizes properly.
I'll hook what?
Pardon?
I'll just try drive.
Well, no, we'll go over and we'll hook up to a random trailer over there.
Okay, yeah.
And then we'll hook up your glad hands. I just
Okay.
want to make sure all the brakes and stuff work.
Okay. Good now? After you remove that part Saturday night,
Yeah.
my ABS and the trailer lit up. That's not connected.
Yeah, it's because there's an electrical sensor there that was disconnected.
Okay, for
Yeah.
now it will just when I run, it
Yeah.
will just go away.
Yeah, it should go away.
Okay.
Yeah, it's got to reset, so it's got to go up to like.
Or I'll just reset, turn off the main switch.
No, it resets by rolling.
Okay.
Yeah, so once it gets to like I think 10 kilometers,
Ah,
it should reset.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now I'm good.
Yeah, I'm just going to make sure my shop foreman doesn't want me to check anything else,
Okay.
and then we should be good.
So can I unhook now?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Ito yung pinalitan, no? Tingnan nyo. Ito, bago na to. Tractor protection valve. So, okay na. Yan yung trap. Yung parang mobile shop siya. So, ang lamig. Pasok ako. Thankfully, ako ay good to go na. Pwede na akong mag-hit the road. After, lan ba, since Saturday afternoon ako dito, tinanggal yung pyesa, nag-order ng pyesa, tapos ngayon Lunes ng umaga, naikabit na ang tractor protection valve. Ngayon, ako ay anytime bibigyan na ng load. Hindi ko pa alam saan, pero maliligo muna ako doon sa Flying J para fresh na fresh yung oras ko. 70 hours kasi ako ay naka off duty more than 36 hours. Good ako for the week, 70 hours. Lunes ngayon, sinabi ko sa kanila na kahit saan except sa British Columbia, Washington, bandang northwest, ayaw ko kasi ang weather doon masama, kailangan ng tire chaining. Anywhere south, tapos uwi ako ng Saturday, home time na. Tayo ay maligo.